Hey guys, Mick here with Burns Car Sales, back with another short video for one of our SKODA approved used vehicles. This is a 2014 modified Peugeot Partner Tepee. It's a 1.6 litre diesel with a manual transmission. It has 5 doors and is adapted to carry a wheelchair. It has body coloured bumpers and door handles. It has silver coloured roof rails and steel wheels. It has a rear ramp which includes safety belts, clamping hooks and includes a mechanical winch. This adapted Peugeot Partner Tepee has a spacious rear passenger area. The driver and front passenger space is comfortable and stylish. The interior is finished in blue, black and grey, and the exterior is finished in a blue metallic colour. That's just a brief review of some of the vehicle's features. For more information on it or any of our range in stock, please call in and see us here on the Old Dublin Road or give us a call on 071 916 1500. Until the next time, thanks for watching and safe driving.